And draw the character. Yes.
No, dude, why didn't I?
He chose him. Yeah.
No!
Damn, this was early ultimate. This would have been so cool. Even the nostalgia right here.
We play the game we have.
Free pattern.
Okay.
Okay.
Up there, up there, up there.
How do I dodge that move?
It's pretty big.
Oh! I did not mean to.
Oh. Wait, crazy.
Nah, I don't care. I was perfectly fine with losing at any time. I'm still fine with it.
Yeah? Am I playing Tim? Yes.
I get Tim Sneasels and Mighty Bird inside
What?
bracket
Oh, alright.
to
Sorry, mate.
that
You set
setup.
up the number.
What was that kill?
Oh my god, okay.
Yeah, the up airs are massive on Palutena.
I don't know how to play. No, I kept doing down B.
Yeah, and then is that down? Is that my up air? Like it's called the disjoint, where my hitbox is way further than my hurt box, so it's very safe.
Wait, the camera is set to the left.
I know it does.
Because it's not in real time. That would be like really impossible.
What?
Oh, nah.
What did you say?
Do it.
I said Joker's a hard character to play if you don't want to switch.
Nah.
Okay, Mr. Sheik, yeah, go camp some. You got you there, bro. You got you.
No, Sheik is actually brain dead, I cannot lie.
I agree.
Yeah, and guess what? Joker is just better Sheik.
No.
So if Sheik is easy, that means Joker's even easier.
Joker's resource management because it's already here.
Oh, genius. But it's actually so free to get Arsena.
That's free against me, so
Bro, Justin, if you don't hit a side B spike, you're not hype, bro.
I know. No,
You gotta hit the
I'm
setup
saving it
into
for the
it.
last stop.
Alright.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
There.
The scoop on that.
I will up smash because
The
it's
scoop
strong.
kind of good.
Oh!
There we go.
Oh, okay.
So I did hit it. Nice.
Yeah.